Well, finally happened. Those cheap Amazon LEDs finally failed. And here's the replacement. LASFIT. I've actually had these for a while, a couple years. Never put them in yet because the old ones still work, so finally went out. Let's try these new ones. One method I just saw. Okay, so you could reach behind here, try to turn this bulb, pull it out, but see, LED's got this real thick heat sink. There's just not enough real estate to squeeze that out. So that's got to come out. First step's going to be taking the grill out. So you've got little push pins here holding this top sheet over. And once you take that off, you pull the grill out with little bitty clips in here that are kind of a pain in the butt. Let's get that off. Sometimes a trim tool like this can help. Get in there, get your leverage to pull that out. And squeeze that part out. Notice they're keyed too. And there's your key weight. So a little bit of practice, and you'll get plenty of practice. There's several of these guys. Just start popping out left and right. All right, that's done. Take that off. Set her down. Got to find them little clips. One right down there. So there, over here, and you got about, I think, 4 right behind the latch. All right. Okay, jumped ahead of myself. So before you start on them clips, you've actually got 4 little 10mm bolts right here. Pop them out. Now I'm going to be using some of these little vice grips to squeeze that clamp to help work it out. Well, it took 2 hands, but sometimes they just a little cranky, and this clip doesn't want to give up. It is this one. Victory is mine. Alright, now we got 2 10mm bolts here on each side. curious, with a little bit of play in the headlight body, yes I can. Unplug. There it is. So if this extra clearance didn't work, the next step, you take this fender liner out. There's a 10 mil bolt situated kind of around in there that you got to loosen up. Can't get at it this way. And then you got to shake the whole headlight out. We'll see if I can get the aux beams, not aux beam, LASFIT. Get the LASFITs in there. Yep, got that bulb in there just fine. Now let's do a quick test. Okay. Still on. Let's switch the plug around. Alright, success. What might happen, you may find this out, this plug, you can rotate it either way. LEDs have polarity, halogens don't, so that's a problem you might run into. Just rotate the plug 180 degrees, pop her back in, try it again. Old. New. Truthfully, looks the same. Now, the passenger side, there's a unique challenge of this air box right here, which prevents you from reaching behind it like I did on the driver's side, because it's that big old empty space right there. I did find that if you just reach in here, pull the headlight back a little bit, you can get your hand up in there, feed that bulb in the hole. Okay, we got the grills back on. Headlights are secure. We'll get the top sheet on. Be done. Alright, you want to do the honors? Put the last one in. Right there.
I was
Just set it in gently. There you go. Alright. Do that. Push it down.
push all.
Yep, push all the other ones in. And that's it. We're done.
Okay.
Little helper.
Okay. I'm gonna.
Yeah, go wash your hands. Final test. All right. I don't think it's any better than the other ones, but it's a better quality.